have already landed June, and on 21st June we have our International Yoga Day. So hope you're practicing good and you're feeling motivated. I'll give you a few points today that you can keep in mind before starting your yoga practice. First of all, it is very important to clean your body, taking the shower and then coming to the quiet and peaceful environment where you feel that there will be no disturbance during the practice, keeping your body and mind completely relaxed. Second, it is very important again that you are practicing on an empty stomach. So first we start the practice with a prayer so that you create a nice conducive environment and smoothly getting into the practice. While performing your asanas, you also have to take care that you're not over practicing anything. जैसे हम बोलते हैं अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार. So according to your capacity, you have to hold the pose and try to feel comfortable with your body. Very calmly you have to end the practice, and it is good that you're not making big movements or instantly getting out of the practice, talking too much. After completing the whole practice, keep yourself light and relaxed for 20-30 minutes and then do whatever you need to do. So welcome to the world of yoga, and I hope that you definitely get into your yoga practices and keep yourself healthy, fit. So I'm suggesting you, requesting you everything that you should also bring yoga in your life and keep yourself healthy and happy. If you have any questions about your yoga practices that you're doing, if you need to ask me anything or any suggestion from my side or from your side you need to give me, so do comment below and let me know. I'll try my best to reply and solve your query. So this was definitely a lazy start for today, but with yoga practice and with nice movement, I feel really good and made the most of this day. So you also need to practice. You better practice. We are practicing together until 21st June. Whatever videos I am posting, I am reminding you to practice yoga. You will see yoga video popping inside every video. So bear with me for now and try to motivate yourself also for practicing yoga and making your life beautiful.